and share. Thank you. Okay, so I ordered 2 skins. Actually, one laptop is my friend's and one is my laptop. So I ordered 2 skins from Dbrand, and I'm gonna show you what it's like. And I'll just show you what it looks like, so you know if it's worth buying it or not at the end. So this is MacBook Pro, this is MacBook Air, and I got 2 different skins. One is the white marble for this one because I thought it looked nice. This laptop would look nice because it has like a grey color. So I really thought the white one would go really, oh my god, the white one would go pretty well with it. So that's why I ordered this. This is the back side, and I got it with the Apple cutting. So there are like 2 options. I think this is the touchpad. So it's the inside of the laptop. And then finally, what we have here is, by the way, this is what it comes as. So this is the main box in which I got the skins. So I ordered 2 together, so I got them both together. And this was the touchpad area, and now this is with the cutting. So this is what it looks like, right? And the next thing that I have inside this is the microfiber cloth, which is used to actually put the skin on the laptop. And there are 2 of them. There are 2 of them. I think one can be used for the touchpad and one can be used for the cover and the skin outside. And that's it. And this has it's not a product, it's a culture. This is the final thing. Okay, you can just go and whatever. So I'm giving this aside. So what do you need to apply this cover? You need a hairdryer as well. So this is needed. So once you actually place it here on the laptop, so you use the microfiber cloth to actually place it properly, and then you keep drying. So as soon as you will place the cover, you just do something like this and then just dry it. So this really helps. So yeah, this is how you can do it. And I'll show you the second cover second skin that I ordered. This is the white marble, and the other one is matte black, I think. I'll just tell you exactly which one. So this is what it looks like without the cover. I mean, the skin, and with the skin. I'll show you what I ordered. So this is the basic black, and I also did not really order anything for the touchpad or the inside because I just thought it looks cool from the inside. So this is what it is. This is with the cutting. This is the back side. I'll just apply it. You get an idea of what it's gonna look like. It's gonna look like something like this. It has like a black matte finish. I think it looks pretty classy. I really like this one. So I'll just show you guys once I'm done with it. Again, this is the back. This is the front. And again, I have microfiber cloth. This time I don't have the white one because I didn't really order the inside or anything for the inside. But I have 2. I'm wrong. Once it's done, again you can use the hairdryer and the microfiber cloth to stick it on the skin. You need a hairdryer for it. Anyway, I'll just show you guys once it's done, and let's see how it is. I'm super excited. So for the first one, it's ready. I'll show you guys the laptop later. But yeah, so I was like pulling it off and applying it again, so there were like a few very little marks, but they're fine, and bubbles. So I would advise you not doing that. Like, the size is not completely perfect. I think it's a little big, and that's fine. I mean, this looks fine, so don't pull it off and then put it again because it'll create bubbles and it won't really look that nice. So I'll just show you how it's done really quickly. It's best if you so first I take this thing out, and now I have this paper. So this is a bigger one, the big laptop. I'm going to keep it here, and just the first one you have to place it very properly, very nicely. So what I'm going to do is, you have the circles here, you can focus on these, and if you get that right, probably will have everything else right as well. So for the front, you can probably focus on the logo. So if you can fit this correctly, it should work. So what I'm doing right now is, I'm just be a little careful because this can be a little tricky. Okay, so just be a little careful first few seconds. I think I got it right. Man, this is a pain, I must say. Okay, I think it's fine. Just the first one, right now there's a paper there, so I think right now you can adjust it, but then later try to not adjust it again, because that makes it kind of bad. So right now you take all the time you need, and then after that don't, because it creates problems. Yeah, and this is fine. So I'm going to take the microfiber cloth and just start pasting it. I think this is perfect. This one is perfect. This might go a little here, but I think it will work. So what I'm gonna do now is, the paper is here. Slowly gonna pull it a little and stick it. And now I would advise you to not do anything. Did I get it wrong? I got it completely wrong. Oh man, this side was supposed to be. Well, don't do this. That's all I can say. Oh man, it was so perfect. I got the side wrong. Damn. Huh, that's a bummer. Okay, have to redo it. But that's fine. Thankfully, I didn't go a long way. I was still at the beginning. Again, just concentrating on the holes. That sounds wrong. Yeah. This one. I'm concentrating on this thing. And next, this one. Nope. Pull it a little. And no. This one is sticking forward. Yes, I got it. Okay, again, the hole's perfect this time. Place. Stick it. Stick it. Do not mess with it too much. It should come perfectly. Oh, yeah. Still come perfectly. You don't have to worry too much about it. And then finally I'm gonna use. See? It's so perfect. No bubbles. I love that. Yeah. So I think this is it. This is how you do it. This can be annoying. Be a little patient and you get it right. Now I'm just gonna use the hairdryer to make it stay. Okay. The hairdryer is supposed to go on the top. So it stays pasted. Just remove it a little. Paste it. Everything is okay. And this is the final one, and I'll be done. I already did it for the front. So this is what it looks like. Doesn't this look cool? This is the leather black matte finish. So I really like this one. I'll show you guys the other one as well. 1 second. Okay, so this took me a long time because of this one. I tried pulling it out and then wrong, and I tried to apply it and created a little bit of bubbles, but now it looks fine. So this is what the Pro now looks like. Bam! Say hi to the Pro, and let's open it up. This is what it looks like from the inside. So I ordered the white marble Pro for in the inside as well, and this is the black trackpad that I ordered. I think this is again this is the matte black trackpad. That one is the leather finish. So that's the difference between these two here, you can see. So yeah, this is what it looks like.